This is Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings and Blissful Vacations here at Secrets Moxché. I want to show you around. First, look at this beautiful bathroom. Just stunning. Of course, you have the little cubby where you can put your dirty dishes and don't have to set them outside or and of course your robe to slip on after a nice bath in the evening. In this nice spacious room. It looks into your bathroom, which the door shuts if you want a little more privacy. Down below, you've got your little refrigerator. You come back to your room after being at the pool, might want a little snack or a drink. In a preferred club, you get on your deck the little soaking tub. There's the main building in the pool. Just an absolutely gorgeous resort. The Impressions building. And your ocean view. Here at Secrets Moxché. We hope to see you here.